Rothenburg Ob Der Tauber. Such a picturesque city. It looks like it's frozen time and still looks amazingly beautiful today. On our way to meet our local guide here, we cross the small streets, and you can see it's lovely. The snowball is traditional for this area, and you can find it in every coffee shop in the town. In the center of the town you will find the marketplace and the city hall. Every hour the two figures from the both sides of the clock open and you can see the images or the characters from the wine legend of the city. The history of the town contains Judaism and Christianity together. At this visit, our guide took us to a hidden place. This is a mikveh. It belonged to the Jewish people that lived here 1,000 years ago. In the past it was full of water and the people come to purify themselves before the holidays or before weddings. This dated 1,000 years ago and one of the oldest mikvehs in the world.
Jetzt kommt er im Gebiet hier wieder zurück, weil man ein bisschen mehr auf Natur achtet und das so kleinste Viecher, Frösche und so weiter.
Behind the ancient entrance to the town, there is a big and wide park, and you can get some nice view over the town from there.